Okay, let's take a look at question 3. Amelia bought a rectangular painting of a blobfish that is 6/7 meters long and 4/5 meter wide. What is the area of the painting in square meters? So, first off, I know this problem is about a painting and it's of a blobfish. What is the shape of the painting? That's right, it is rectangular. And I know that if it's rectangular, it is in the shape of a rectangle. I even see the word rectangle in the word rectangular. I also notice that it gives me 2 dimensions. What are the 2 dimensions that it gives me? It gives me how long it is, and it gives me how wide it is. What do you think we are trying to find out if it gives me the length and the width? That's right, we are finding the area. What's the what's the formula for area again? That's right, I'm going to use length times the width. And that will give me how many square meters there is. So I notice I'm going to take 6/7, which is the length, because that's how long it is. And I'm going to times it by 4/5, because that's how wide it is. I'm going to start by multiplying my numerators. What is 6 times 4? That's right, it's 24. Now that I multiplied the numerators, now I'm going to multiply the denominators. What is 7 times 5? That's right, it would be 35. And then I think about, can I simplify this answer? And I can just leave it as 24 over 35. It cannot be simplified because I cannot divide both numbers by 2 or by 3 or by 4 or by 5 or by 6. So I know that it cannot be simplified. Of course, I do want to check my work with a model, but first I'm going to put 24 over 35. And of course, what is my label? Square meters. I'm going to make a model to confirm my answer. First, I want to show 6/7. What is the denominator? How many equal parts do I want to split it into? That's right, 7. So I'm going to split it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of these 7 pieces, how many do I want to shade in? That's right, I want 6. So I'm going to shade in 6 pieces. As you can see here, I've shaded in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Now that I've split it up and down, now I want to split it side to side or into rows. Now I have the fraction 4/5. What is the denominator in 4/5? That's right, the denominator is 5. So I want to split it into 5 rows. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me double check. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows. And of these 5 rows, how many do I want to shade in? That's right, I want to shade in 4 rows. So I'm going to shade in 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and 4 rows. Now, where is my answer going to be? That's right, my answer is going to be where the colors overlap or where I see both colors. And when I look carefully, I can see that this is where I have yellow and green. I'm I'm even going to take a moment to make this a little bit neater. How many pieces are in this overlapping section? That's right, there are 24. I notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. And how many pieces are in the whole model? That's right, 35. Because I can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So no matter which way I solved, whether it be using a model or by multiplying my numerators and then multiplying my denominators, I found the area is 24 out of 35 square meters. I hope this helps.